Go for pink or purple, it's totally up to you. And you'll be needing some paper clips, obviously, and you'll be needing a glue gun or any permanent craft glue. And you would be needing your Cricut maker and the glide grip mat or the standard grip mat. And you would be needing the free SVG file, which is available by subscribing to our VIP list. The link is given down below and on the website as well. So go ahead and grab it and let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to upload your SVG file that you have downloaded from the VIP library. So just click on upload and then click on upload image, then click on browse, go to the folder where you saved your file and click on it to upload it. Ta-da! So here is our file and you can see we have one mirror image and I'm gonna tell you why. Just click on save and click on the image and click on insert images. So here we are. Here is our file. Come on, you guys. What's going on here? Okay. So here are unicorns. So there's one actual image and there's one mirror image, so that when you print it out, so that when you cut it out, you can place the other one at the back. So you sandwich the paper clip in the middle so that it doesn't come off. And if you want to make several different colors, you can just click on it and duplicate it. So I have 3 sets. Now I'm just going to click on make it. And there you go, we have 3 sets over here. So I want 2 of the sets to be gold in color and I want the 3rd set to be pink or some other color. So I'm just going to place it farther. So I'm just placing them so that I can cut out pieces measuring the exact size, which is 5 inch by 2 inch and 2 inch by 2 inch over here. 2.5 somewhere. All right, so let's get started. So just click on continue, make sure that your machine is connected and wait for it. It's so damn slow, man. Come on, come on, come on. All right, there you go. So click on browse all materials and look for 300 GSM. So we have a heavyweight watercolor paper and I'm just gonna select that because it's 300 GSM and let's get started. So here, as you can see, I've placed my cardstock based on the placement in the Design Space software. So here's gonna be the 2 gold ones and here's the pink one gonna be. Let's just load this in the machine. Okay, so we're all done. Now I'm just gonna use my spatula to pull this thing off because I don't want to touch it with my hand because it's gonna ruin the mat. Okay, we're all done. I'm just gonna remove it. Just look at how tiny and cute they are. Oh my gosh. All right, so we're ready. All we gotta do is glue it, add some glue on one side, add the paper clip on top, and place that other side on top of it. Make sure you apply glue on all the sides and corners so that it doesn't come off, but be careful not to burn yourself.
That is a great idea.
Alrighty, we are all done.
Wow.
And our paper clips are ready.